Not a nice video, that's awfully noisy. Hello, Sky. No. Sky, no. No. No, Sky, no. Right, I'm going to throw a stick for Sky.
Right, yes.
Yeah? And see how far she goes. Right, Sky, no. Sky, stick. Right, are we ready? Marley, behave! Are you copying Guinness? Hello, Scrumpy girl! Hey, Sky, you want another stick thrown? No, Sky. No. Good girl. Marley, now, what is it? What is it, Scrumpy? Hey, Sky. Is that good, Sky? Way to go. Way to go. Way to go. Way to go, Sky. Oh, I've got two doggies in the swing. Oh no, it's two little girls. It's not doggies at all.
We're just pretending to know.
Are you? Right, Sky. Right, here you go. Ready? Sky, over there. Where'd it go? Where'd it go, Sky? Over there. Go on then. Throw it for her. Good girl. Saying good girl to both of you. Okay, should I have said good girls?